U.S. Ambassador Donald Blome joined Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif at Mangla Hydro Power Station Monday, 5th of December to celebrate completion of a $150 million US-funded project to refurbish and improve the station's power generation capacity. The project adds 300 megawatts of additional power to the station's capacity, enough to provide power to 100,000 households and 2 million Pakistanis. The US-funded project, in collaboration with private firms and the Pakistan Water and Power Development Authority, is the latest in a long history of US assistance to help Pakistan develop clean, renewable energy. Speaking on the occasion, Ambassador Donald Blome stated, "This project builds upon the foundational partnership of the original construction. We are proud of our enduring efforts to help extend Mangla Dam's useful service as a reliable source of clean energy and irrigation water." When Mangla Dam was built in the 1960s by US engineering firms, it was one of the largest earth-filled dams in the world. Not only it is an impressive achievement in engineering, it is also an excellent example of the green alliance between the United States and Pakistan.
As illustrated, the United States, Pakistan, and other countries around the world must work together to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. Just as U.S.-Pakistan cooperation on the Green Revolution improved lives and livelihoods in the 1970s, I believe the Green Alliance between the U.S. and Pakistan can help us face the challenges of the climate crisis and prepare our societies and our economies to adapt to a changing and unpredictable future.